You know, time after time I've heard clients tell me that they don't want to be surprised when they pick up their tax return at the end of the year. And our clients we meet with throughout the year, so they always have a handle on where they're at, what their tax liability may be, so there are no surprises.
My name's Lonnie Inezzo. I'm with Vincent Anthony Jewelers in Tulsa. I've been working with Chris for about 6 or 7 years, and he has been a godsend to me. I have worked with other CPAs in the past, and he's taken a look at my books and making sure that I'm not going to have any surprises when it comes to tax time.
My name is Jennifer Collins. I'm the owner of Collins Electric Company of Oklahoma Incorporated. We've been in business 9 years. We hired our first employees and I felt a little overwhelmed with all the tax rules, and my limited knowledge intimidated me. So we looked for an accountant to help us make sure we kept everything legal and above board. We have 26 employees now, including Scott and I. I turn in my payroll hours to them weekly. They process it, they send it back to me. Within an hour or two, I can print off the payroll checks and get them to our guys that same day. We also they've allowed us to offer direct deposit to our employees, which they love, because then we don't have to worry about mailing checks or them coming by and picking up checks.
We've been working with Fleming Associates now for a few years, and by far the most easy and effective accountants we've ever been with. It's really a complete package working with them. They take care of our monthly accounts and not only take care of the normal accounting stuff, but they help us with our payroll. They work out all the W-2s and the accounting end of the payroll. Make sure our direct deposit's always in on time, and we even just we fax our bills to them, and then we pay through them like a third-party payee. It takes a lot of the work off of our end, so we can just be about the business of dentistry and let them be about the business of all the accounting work.
I'm Darrell Lees. I'm the president of the Apothecary Shop here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. All of our bookkeeping is pretty much handled through our check register. The functions that I like about it is if we write a check, it will automatically code it to the right account that it goes through, and then we enter all of our accounts payable into it, and they're able to access that without us having to send them any papers. We don't have to send them any paperwork. It's all accessed electronically now through the website, which is, years ago we used to send them reams and reams of paper over, but now we just access everything totally all through the website.
I'm Wes Miller with the Amish Cheese House in Choteau, Oklahoma. One thing that Chris did for us is when we were doing expansion, he actually went to the bank with us and helped us set up the loan and exactly the way that would give us the best tax benefits and some things like that. And not a lot of accountants will do that for you.
Fleming was recommended to me by another dentist who told me that's who he would use and who he does use. They're out in Owasso, and that's who I tell all my dentist friends who I use and who I think they should use.
We do. We tell everybody we know, anybody who's in business and looking for an accountant, we spread the word. We're their #1 fan.